This, according to the signpost over here, may not be the newest station in town. We're actually at the old Kalgan Zhangjiakou railway station. This old station, Kalgan, as it was formerly known, is a terminus. The same for Beijing North and Yanting stations on the new high-speed line. And yet, the new Zhangjiakou high-speed railway station in the southern part of town has transformed this city. There is plenty of transformation to Zhangjiakou and to northern China as Beijing 2022 gets underway within days. For all of February 2022, Kalgan Express with me, David Fung, is here to take a look with you on the railways between Beijing, Yanting and Zhangjiakou. One clip every day. Here's a full 2 minutes of sights and sounds of the lines and stations in this part of northern China.